Hi, my dear intermediate MPC BPC students, CBSE students, NEET aspirants, IIT aspirants and their parents. Grand welcome to BMS Academy of Objective Physics. This is Mr. Bhanu Sharma, Senior Physics Faculty Member, having 30 years of teaching experience in both NEET and IIT entrance coaching. Thanks for joining with me. So in this video class, now I am going to present some important questions from semiconductor devices which were asked in 2024 IIT-JEE mains entrance examinations. Some important model questions I selected and I want to present here in this video class those questions from logic gates as well as semiconductor devices. Now let us discuss very quickly. Now in this material, actually semiconductor devices 2024 IIT-JEE mains entrance questions. First question from logic gates, they asked, identify the gate of the following network. This is the gate given. So two NOT gates are connected here and this is a NAND gate. So two NOT gates, one NAND gate. Very simple question it is. So within 30 seconds we can do this answer. Okay. So with this network, find out, identify the correct gate. So OR gate and NOR NAND, which is the correct answer. So answer is, you see here, after passing through this NOT gate, A input converts into A dash. B also converts into B dash. Okay. So, but output, since it is a NAND gate, output is nothing but A dash dot B dash. A bar dot B bar whole bar we can get. So that is equals to, according to the principle, A bar whole bar plus B bar whole bar. So dot converts into plus. Okay. Now this is A bar A plus B. A bar whole bar means A. Bar gets cancelled. Then A plus B, that is OR gate. OR gate principle, that is. Now I am giving here some more principle here. So if y is equals to, suppose if it is A bar plus B bar whole bar, suppose if it is given there, then it becomes what? NOR gate. Okay, no? So initially it was NAND gate. Suppose if they give NOR gate in this examination, upcoming entrance 2025. So this is the principle. So that is equals to A bar whole bar plus becomes what? Plus converts into what? Into here. Plus converts into. So into B bar whole bar. Okay. Then automatically it becomes what? A into B. Then it becomes AND gate. So in 2025 entrance examination, we are expecting this question. Because in 24 entrance exam, they have given NAND gate. This is NAND gate, okay? This is NAND gate, okay? And this time, NOR gate they will give. NOR gate symbol will be like this. NOR gate symbol, that's all. Okay? So this is the information. Now second question, let us move quickly. Second question now. Identify the correct truth table using network. This is the network, identify the correct truth table. Okay, 4 options will be given, such type of truth tables. You have to identify the correct answer. Now what is the method? Here A is there, no input. So this input goes to A as it is. And B also goes to here as it is. So A goes to here as it is, B goes to here as it is. Now this is AND gate. This is nothing but AND gate. I am writing here with the pink color line. With the pink color I am writing, or with yellow color I am writing. So this is what? AND gate. Okay. And it is also AND gate. So in examination they won't give AND like that. Simply network is given. We have to write the name of the gates. So AND gate. This is a NOT gate and it is also NOT gate. Okay. This A goes to this one as it is. I am writing with representing with the blue color. Okay, it goes to A as it is, and from B it is converted into B bar. That's all, because after passing through not A, B converts into B bar. Similarly here, B as it is here, and A is coming out of this not A, that's why A bar. My dear students, listen carefully, very simple it is. Without using the pen also we can tell. Now, after passing through AND gate, this becomes A into B bar, and here it becomes A bar into B. Okay, now AND means into now, so product that is. So output is what happens now. This is OR gate, you know, OR gate. This is the symbol for OR gate. So that is equals to, what is that? That it is given here, A into B bar plus A bar into B. So this is the method now. So output is A into B bar plus A bar into B. Now what we are going to do, by selecting inputs, first 0 0 I am selecting, because I have to enter here no 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 standard inputs these are. First I am checking by putting A value 0, B value 0, then that becomes like this. Okay, you observe carefully. Just you are substituting A value 0, B value 0. So 0 bar equals to 1, 1 bar equals to 0. That's all. You can enter the value. Finally, it is an AND gate, OR gate. It is OR gate means this is 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, that is equals to 0. So similarly, you substitute all the inputs like this, then you will get this output 0 1 1 0. So this is the correct answer. So my dear students, logic gates, definitely they are asking the logic gates from each and every shift. Okay, so in phase 1 10 shifts, in phase 2 10 shifts will be there. So total 20 shifts are we collected here from 2024 IIT mains entrance exam. From each and every shift, they are asking one question from logic gates, or either logic gates or semiconductor devices. Sometimes both logic gates and semiconductor means from this chapter we are getting 2 questions also sometimes. Okay, so very important chapter it is. Now let us go to third question immediately. See, which of the diode circuit shows correct biasing. So which bias is a forward bias, which bias is reverse bias. We know that when positive terminal P type, when P type is connected to, P means here, this is P, this is N. Okay, if P type is connected to positive terminal, that means higher potential, and N type is connected to negative terminal, that is called as a forward bias. Forward bias means P type to positive terminal, N type is connected to negative terminal. That is forward bias. In forward bias only current passes. Okay, now? So which diagram represents forward bias in this case means, here positive terminal P I am representing with blue color. This is P. P is connected to negative terminal. No, it is. That's why it is reverse bias. Okay. So next P type is connected to positive terminal. N type connected to negative here. So that's why it is forward bias. Okay. So this is the correct answer, and it allows the current. Third diagram, P type is connected to here terminals are not there. So here 0 volt, here 0 volt, both are in the same voltage. So P type and N type both are maintaining its same potential, means no current passes here. Okay, na? Generally current passes from high potential to lower potential, you know. That's why, but here neither of these two are is 0 voltage. That's why no current passes. And last diagram, this is P type and this is N type. Okay, so P type is connected to negative terminal, you know, that's why it is reverse bias, does not allow the current. So second option is the correct option for biasing, forward biasing. So which is correctly forward biased, which allows the current, that is the question. Okay, so you should identify if P is connected to positive and that is forward bias. Okay, next it allows the current. Let us move to next question. How simple these questions are, you see. So 3 questions we discussed so far from 3 shifts. They are very simple. Within 30 seconds we can do. Within 30 seconds we can do that problem. Half minute. Now next semiconductor devices. One question they asked here. So this is a conductivity of photodiode. Photodiode is given this time. Photodiode. Actually, it starts charging only if the wavelength of incident light is less than 660 nanometer. So suppose for example, this is a semiconductor diode. Light is falling like this. Okay, this is light. Light of wavelength how much given? 660 nanometer means we have to convert into angstrom. 6600. 10 additional we are putting. Okay, then it becomes angstrom. Okay, 1 nano is equals to 10 angstrom actually. That's why I am multiplying with 10. So then this is wavelength given. Then what is the energy? What is the energy corresponding to band gap? So what is energy means E equal to hc by lambda. Hc value is 12,400, you know that. In the bracket value h given, E given, just to confuse us. But we want in electron volts. That's why 12,400, this number you have to recognize. Divided by lambda value 6,600 angstrom, then the answer becomes electron volt 15 by 8. But in the diagram, in the formula, in the question, the band gap is given x by 8. So x by 8 is equals to 15 by 8, then x value 15. So simple problem. It is also within 30 seconds we can do it. Okay. So how simply they are asking the questions in 2024 entrance examinations. So in colleges and other institutions, they are making the students, they are pulling the students into negative phobia actually. So the students are getting afraid of physics actually, but this is very simple, you know. So if you select good master, experienced master, so for tuitions, then it will be easy for you. So maximum number of students are getting the ranks in such a way that only by selecting a good tutor master or good tuition master in Hyderabad. Okay, so this is this academy we are giving online coaching or offline coaching. We opened an institution in NGO'S colony, main road, VANASTHALIPURAM. So building number is 1010 building, NGO'S colony, main road, besides Raymond showroom, opposite to Yoda pharmacy. Very simple address it is. Directly you can come across because it is a last stop, no? NGO'S colony last stop. You can come by bus, anything. So Google map 1010 building, okay, NGO'S colony road. Now let us move to fifth question immediately. So if the breakdown voltage of Zener diode in this is a very important concept. Every time they are asking this question, frequently they are asking the question. So from Zener diode, very simple concept, but the students are getting afraid of in other colleges. Okay, so because of lack of concentration, because of lack of the guidelines given by the institutions, management. So this is happening now. That's why majority of the students are not getting idea how to do the problems. Okay, so conceptually based problems are required. So those are here in abundance in this academy. Okay, visit this academy and select, listen 2-3 demo classes. Then only you can decide whether to join in the institution or not. Okay, so come with hope, go with confidence, and achieve your goal of best rank. Okay, now if the breakdown voltage of Zener diode is 3 volt. So this is a Zener diode. What is meant by Zener diode? Zener diode information is what? It is a heavily doped semiconductor. We discussed so many times in this academy now. All the students done this problem very well within 30 seconds only. So Zener diode is a heavily doped semiconductor which operates in reverse bias conditions because N type is connected to positive and P type is connected to negative terminal. So that is reverse biased. So Zener diode always works under reverse bias conditions. You see, N type. This is N type, you know. So this is N type and this is P type. P type is connected to negative terminal here. N type is connected to positive terminal here. Okay. N type is made in Z shape. Okay. So that's why it is called as Zener diode. Now Zener diode acts as what? Voltage stabilizer, voltage regulator. This is also very important sentence for NEET students also. Okay. So now in this diagram, Zener diode is connected to input here and output here. Okay, so it is connected to input source through a series resistance. This is called series resistance RS, and it is connected to output through load resistance RL. So this is load resistance, output resistance. This is input resistance RS, series resistance, input voltage, and Zener voltage. Zener voltage means output voltage. Output voltage also V output is equals to V Zener, because both are parallel condition. So in parallel connection combination, the voltage is same. So output voltage is nothing but Zener voltage. That is equals to, given in the problem, 3 volts. Okay now, that's all. So question is what? What is the Zener current? What is the current passing through Zener diode? So that is the question. So options are given here. Input voltage that is 10 volts, input voltage 10 volt, output voltage 3 volt given in the problem, and input resistance is 1 kilo ohms means 1000 volts, output resistance is 2 kilo ohms means 2000 volts. Okay, what formula we are selecting here? Total current here, in this case total current passes through here in the circuit, in the input circuit, and it is divided at point A into two parts. Some part is going through Zener diode, so that is called it Zener current. Some part is going through load current, load resistance. So we are calling it as load current. So total current equals to sum of Zener current and load current. That's all, very simple. So, but the total current here, we can analyze this. Total current means how can you get this? Ohm's law. Only Ohm's law is, there is no other alternate, only Ohm's law we have to select. So I is equals to V by RS. V here, potential across series resistance. So, but V is not given in the problem. Input given, output given, but V is not given. So then we can write V as input minus output. Input is given 10, output is given 3. So V input minus V output divided by RS. So very simple, Zener diode formula it is. Okay, basic formula. So equals to IZ plus, this is a load current. Load current means this data we have to select. So according to Ohm's law, V output divided by R output. So this one by this one. Very simple. So by collecting the values there, by substituting the values in this case, you see here, by substituting the values, 10 minus 3 by 1000, IZ plus 3 by 2000, you get IZ value 5.5 milliamperes. So my dear IIT students, very simple, how simply you are getting the marks here in this case in 2024. You got the marks. From this academy, maximum number of students are getting the seat getting ranks now from 2024 entrance examinations. Because the specialty of this academy is basics, fundamentals, concepts and application type of orientation will be there, group discussion will be there among the concepts, among the students and the lecturer. Lecturer means I am myself. I am the director of this institution and myself I am a tutor, okay. So I am giving the best coaching in this case enthusiastically, okay. So I am taking challenge now this academic year. So please avail this golden opportunity, don't waste your valuable time, okay. So now this is the method 8.75. So substituting the values there. In the given circuit here, this is the question, last question. In this given circuit, the voltage across load resistance. So he is asking the voltage across load resistance. Voltage across load resistance means VL question mark. VL is the question mark. He is asking voltage across the resistance, output resistance VL. According to Ohm's law, VL is equals to I into RL. That's all, very simple. I into RL, okay. I for what? Total current in the circuit. I am writing here total current in the circuit I am writing here. So how can you find out total current here? Total voltage, effective voltage divided by effective resistance. Effective voltage means here what? This is the input voltage and these two are diodes, germanium and silicon, two diodes are given there. And one more important thing, my dear IIT students, you know, you studied very well in semiconductors. Otherwise, you come to my academy, I will give the information to you, entire information. So germanium barrier voltage will be there, no? That is cutoff voltage, that is 0.3. They won't mention in the problem, you should know, fundamental that is. For germanium, cutoff voltage is 0.3. For silicon, cutoff voltage is 0.7 because it is stronger. It opposes the flow of current. They offer some resistances now for the flow of current. So their voltages will be there, cutoff voltages. So for germanium 0.3, for silicon 0.7. They won't mention in the problem. You should know that point. Okay. So but these two are opposing this current. That's why we have to neglect these two voltages from this voltage. Because 15 volt supply is there, no, but the diodes are opposing the current, no. That's why we are subtracting. So find 15 minus, because both are forward bias. In forward bias we have to subtract. In reverse bias we have to add. Remember this point. Such type of some spark problems, spark points will be there in this academy. Okay. So both are forward biased. That's why 15 minus of 3.3 plus 0.7. So we have to neglect these two here because they are offering some resistance for the flow of current. Okay, so 15 minus of 0.3 plus 0.7. So divided by total resistance because they are in series. Now series resistance means sum of those two. So into RL value. So because this voltage we want across load resistance. That's why current formula VL is equals to I into RL according to Ohm's law. So I means we have to find out like this. So finally we are getting 8.75 volt. My dear IIT students, and for NEET students also, eagerly you are also waiting for entrance examination for rank, for getting good rank in entrance examination 2025 upcoming entrance. So both IIT students and NEET students, I think all of you got an idea how to solve the problems now, the way of expression and the way of explanation, the methodology, the teaching methodology, I think everybody understood. So this is the method. So we have so much experience how to tackle the students, how to project the problems which were asked in previous entrance examinations. So keeping the mind, by keeping all previous examination questions in mind, we are projecting all the questions now. Okay, especially this conceptual oriented coaching center, rank oriented coaching center it is. Okay, so every batch I am conducting 7 batches. Early morning hours from 4:30 to 7 I am conducting 2 batches, B1, B2. B means BMS Academy, that's why I kept B. And in the evening hours from 4:30 to 10:30 I am conducting 4 batches, B3, B4, B5, B6. So each batch timings 1 hour 15 minutes. Each batch time is 1 hour 15 minutes. You can select anyone. Okay, for more details you go through the description box given below, and thank you for watching my video classes. Keep on watching my video classes. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe for more and more tips and tricks in physics. Okay, so come with hope, again same slogan, go with confidence and achieve your goal of best rank. Wishing you all the best. Keep on watching my video classes further. Okay, I am going to present some more important questions from other chapters also in 2024 IIT-JEE mains examination, and also in the very next video class I am going to present NEET questions also which are asked in previous entrance examinations, so that you can have an idea. Okay, bye, see you.